What is going on, everyone? And welcome to Kart 6T3. My name is Ben. Thank you very much for stopping by. Real quick, if you didn't mind hitting a like on this video, possibly subscribe to the channel, that would be fantastic. Kart 6T3 is brought to you by Track Tac Tire Treatments, Burris Racing Tires, BeardOctane.com, 5.3 Titanium, and JC Specialties. There, I got them all. Anyway, so this video today, just kind of real quick and real brief, because I have video ideas, but I think that I'm ill prepared to shoot them. I want to really collect some thoughts on what I was going to say. I have this, like an overarching type of tire prep, a concept. I don't want to build it up too much, but I really wanted to do like a baseline video for terminology and this and that for tire prep. And I don't quite have the words for it yet. I don't have everything assembled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this opportunity with the announcement that came, what would be, well, I'm shooting this on Friday. It came out on Thursday. You're watching this on Sunday. That Track Tac Tire Treatments has a brand new prep line, or prep, that they are just releasing. Okay, so many of you that follow me on the Facebooks will see that I shared what Chris Harris shared, what Track Tac Tire Treatments shared, and that is the brand new prep being offered by Track Tac Tire Treatments, and that is called Gold Grip. So what is Gold Grip? My DMs blew up. I don't want to say blew up. I got quite a few DMs asking about what this is. I don't know the ins and outs. Last I knew, Topaz was on its way out because of a certain component in the prep line was going to be, or in that prep was going to be unavailable or exorbitantly expensive. This is what Randy told me last year. I don't know if that's still true. If it's not true, it is what it is. But what is Gold Grip? It's goat pee. That's there was, so from my knowledge, and I was talking to the guys at JC, and he was saying that I believe it was Thor Oil. The person who owned it had passed, and the son was, whether or not he was going to take it over or not. Long story short, the Thor Oil, from what was expressed to me, was a supplier to the industry of kart racing of goat pee. They were one of the main sources. They were, whoever get it. This is, I don't know. This is secondhand knowledge. I don't want to say I'm gossiping. This is just what I heard, that they were going to be, that they were the main supplier of goat pee to the industry. Well, since the owner had passed and the son was up in the air whether or not he was taking it over, there was kind of like a fear that, the industry of kart racing and tire prep was going to run low on goat pee. Well, fire in a couple companies as of late, I won't mention the other one, but you've heard of them before, that have acquired goat pee. And now Track Tac has labeled and branded theirs as Gold Grip. So those of you who are searching for the goat pee, Track Tac has got your back. Track Tac's got, oh, that's pretty good. That's that was totally not even planned. Anyway, so in our discussion Thursday night right here at Kart 6T3 on our live stream, I was expressing to the people in the live stream why I'm not somebody, and I was going along with Randy's vision of not pushing goat pee. Now, they, obviously Track Tac has better than goat pee red. They have Topaz that I believe is closer to goat pee than better than goat pee was. Just my opinion, though. But, Randy was not somebody who pushed goat pee, because goat pee in the long run is going to harm your tires. Now, I've never lied to anybody. Have I used goat pee? Yes. Do I use goat pee? Absolutely. I haven't had any in a while, but I haven't had any real need to. Now, why, as the purveyor, no, the owner of Kart 6T3, why don't I push goat pee? Because eventually you're going to get to that point. We know that this channel is primarily made for the newcomer, the people who don't know much about the sport, and what I don't want them to do is underestimate what goat pee can do. Got bugs in here. What can it do? Goat pee, there is, honestly, there's no beating it. There's no beating it when you want grip and you want a durometer drop. Now, the long term of it, what makes, I've said this time and time again, what makes goat pee and what makes it work so well is actually what is harming the tire in the long run. It is breaking down the rubber in the tire and is making grippy. Well, once it removes the oils, once it's destroying that, the durometer is going to start to come up on the tire, and then the tire is going to lose all grip. It's going to be hard tire. That's why they say when a goat tire, forever a goat tire. So when it comes to the new people coming into kart racing, I didn't want them going to the most aggressive thing ever. That you will eventually learn, you will eventually be on a track where you're going to need gold grip, where you're going to need goat pee, when it is the tire prep of preference for whatever track you're on. And also, I didn't want to mislead anybody or have people think, oh, I've heard of this tire prep stuff. Ooh, goat pee, people are using this. I can't find grip on a super hot, dry, dusty track. I would not recommend goat pee. I would not recommend softening your tires that much. Yes, you need bite, but you need a different type of bite. Something like black sand. Something that's not going to drop the durometer, because if you make the tire too soft on the super hard, super dry surfaces, that soft tire is going to overheat. It's going to give up. It's not going to go well. So for your new racer, I didn't want to, convey to them, hey, just wipe this stuff on. It's magic. It's magic. It's magic in a can when it comes to, a track where you just need gobs of bite and, like a wet track surface. Now, I will caveat all of this. There is a way to counteract some of the goat pee the badness of it, which is drying the tire out. We'll also say that if you've ever smelled goat pee, you know goat pee. Gold grip, I'm sorry. I am talking about Track Tac's gold grip. You're going to know that. But you can, the drying effect, you can counteract that. Something like better than goat pee, especially on Burris, if you are on a soft track that requires a bunch of bite, Burris 33s especially, I have used it numerous times, a split of goat pee, 50-50 with better than goat pee. That better than goat pee is going to counteract some of that bad. So it's going to add the bite agent of the goat pee along with some of the bite agent, maybe arguably not as good in the better than goat pee, but it's going to mix them together and make yourself a really good prep. Just something to consider. I've used it, like I said, numerous times on Burris 33s when the track is called for it, when it's called for a bunch of bite. And in an aggressive prep that has worked really well. So I just thought I'd throw it out there. I was, I knew that Chris Harris was talking about releasing, a brand new prep onto the Track Tac line. Hopefully I will get it sooner or later. But I thought this was a worthy video to do because I was getting so many DMs about it because, honestly, being that the channel is sponsored by Track Tac, people ask me questions about it. Sure enough, as soon as I post that, my DMs went, and I was just like, all right, that kind of decided it for me. I was favoring, doing another video. I was like, no, you know what? Just because this dropped, we're going to go ahead and do a video, explain to people. So, not that I mind you DMing me, but also to be upfront, to let you guys know if you're in need of a goat pee type substance, Track Tac Gold Grip is exactly where you want to be going. It is the prep you're looking for to get those tires soft, to get them gripped up. Remember, once you prep with goat, forever a goat tire. That being said, if it's needed, there's just no substituting the good stuff. I will say that maybe creosote. And I honestly, no fibs here or anything, I have never used creosote. I know it's real good. I also know it's extraordinarily poisonous and harmful to one's health. So I'm not saying do whatever you got to take to win races, but I know there are ways to do it. And I would wear gloves, wear your gloves, use gold grip. And I'm not going to say anything about creosote because I don't know enough about creosote. So if you're ever expecting a video on that, I'm not going to do one. I know it's a super bite agent. I know people use it. I know it really reeks and all that stuff. But it won't be for this channel because I don't know anything about it. Anyway, all right. I've rambled on long enough. We're going to split here. We're going to go to the RV. I'm going to spend the weekend with my family. Next weekend, we're going to be racing. So I will say to you in closing that Kart 63 is brought to you by Track Tac Tire Treatments with that brand new gold grip. Burris Racing USA. You can go ahead and use that gold grip on your Burris. Beardoctane.com. Please do not put gold grip in your beard. That would be a terrible idea. 5.3 Titanium and JC Specialties. Thank you very much to all my partners, all my sponsors, everybody that makes this possible. Thank you to you for everybody that tunes in every single weekend to watch my videos. Those of you who show up to the live streams on Thursday nights, thank you very much. Sometimes it feels like I don't express my gratitude enough for what you have done for me and for this channel. And I every now and again, I gotta hammer it home. I appreciate every single one of you, and some new partnerships that are coming into the works here. I believe, I hope. We'll see. Anyway, thank you very much, guys. I am getting warm. I got to turn a fan on. I got to go RVing. So we'll catch you later. Bye.